When I took improv, my social circle blew up, and the next person I kind of dated, I say kind of because I don't think we were official, came straight from that because I was so social. I've met a lot of people who are socially awkward when it comes to dating or making friends. I'm one of those people at times, especially if I feel intimidated by the room with all these smart people, everybody knows each other, or you can also feel vibes where people block you out of, of talking. And I don't let that bother me anymore. But if you're socially awkward in friendships, you're also going to bring that into dating. That's okay if you own it, and if you have friends who get you, I understand. But not having friends because you're too socially awkward to keep friends around is something you should really look at working on. I'm not saying to conform to a group. I'm not saying to change who you are to fit in. I am saying work on the art of socialization off the internet because it's all a learned skill. And being weird has nothing to do with it. Feeling socially awkward is something that you can lower. You can lower it and have it go away if you work on it. Working on it does not mean lines really. It just means the way you move conversations or noticing the room, noticing the conversation, noticing what's going on around you, working with that instead of pushing against it. That is all learnable. There's social awkwardness, but there's also low self-esteem, and they play hand in hand. Because when you feel like it's hard to make friends, you feel like it's you. You feel like there's something wrong with you, and that lowers your self-esteem. Because of that, you either are going to blame others. You're like, well, I don't need friends. You make that excuse. Well, I don't need friends, I'm better without them. Like, and all the people that I like, I always get mad at anyways. But then there's also I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Why do I keep screwing up? And it feels like it's me. And it might be, but you don't know it. But this is all fixable. They're not your identity, but you have to want to fix it. You have to want to. That means put in the effort to do so. And as an introvert, I love being alone. Love it. But I can also be lonely too. Those are two separate things. If you're socially awkward, just pick one thing to do. Coffee shop, just take a walk, go somewhere. Just go somewhere and practice being around other human beings. Like sit at a coffee shop, order, feel the awkwardness, just be comfortable around other people. And thing is, like, not having friends and dating can be a red flag to someone. It would probably be a red flag to me. I would wonder why. Are you alone because you choose it or because you stop trying?